what these weapons are.
We've been to every weapon maker in Gorn City, Flogg.
These things are so weak, we couldn't cook dinner with them. We got to find someone who can make weapons that will guarantee our victory against the Galactic Guardians in the games.
Get out of my way, Thrones.
Buzz off, Needle Nose.
Now you shall learn what it means to anger me!
They're just helpless without me. We're going on a little ride together. Not much fun, is it? Now be a good creature. I leave you alone for just a little while. And look at the mess you get into.
You're going to pay, Space Weasel.
Now take it easy, Floggy. I'm sure part of this was your fault.
My fault?
I think if you give Flogg his whip back, we can forget this nasty business. There's just one more thing. I was most impressed with the weapons you used against my friends. Tell me where you got them.
Buzz off, bonehead.
I'm going to let that crack pass, but I'm running out of patience.
Okay, I'll turn that thing off. I got the weapons from the Blacksmith of Crelus.
Liar! No one lives on Crelus. It's a dead planet.
That'll be news to Yolt.
The Blacksmith of Crelus, I presume.
That's right. He made these weapons for me.
Then that's where we go. I'll just take this as a souvenir. And this for calling me bonehead.
I thought you said you were gonna let that crack pass.
So I lied. Now beat it.
I still say we should have taught him a lesson.
Better that we've learned a lesson, like where he got his weapons.
I get it! We're gonna go to Crelus and get some of those weapons for us.
So we can use them against the Galactic Guardians in the games!
No! What a great idea, Flogg.
We've wasted enough time. On to Crelus!
So they're going to Crelus to get weapons to defeat the Galactic Guardians in the games. I think it's time to give my friend He-Man a call.
If I remember my trisolar galaxy geography correctly, isn't Crelus an uninhabited planet?
So we thought. Apparently we were wrong.
If Meliak was right, and there really is a blacksmith who can make these incredible weapons...
Then you and the Galactic Guardians must go there and have some of the weapons made for you, so Primus can win the games.
Then I'm off to Crelus.
Airspace! Good optic. Ready the Duraclaw's hoof. I want protection down there, just in case. Skeletor, what is it?
I sense she is coming.
He-Man?
No, the Lone Ranger.
This might be a good time to test the mothership's new heat-seeking strike sticks. Optic, deploy strike sticks.
Strike sticks deployed!
Excellent. As soon as we're out of range, we'll activate them. If Starship Eternia dares to follow us, the strike sticks will go after them and...
Kablooey!
Slushhead, take us down!
Oh boy! I get to land the ship! I get to land the ship!
Why me? Why me? picking up a life form out there, just over that rise. Let's hit it!
You are the blacksmith of Crelus?
Yes, I am yoked.
My whip can have that hammer out of his hand with one crack.
No, Flogg. We need his help.
I have been expecting you.
You have?
Yes, the fires in the atomic forge foretold a visit by strangers, both asking that I make weapons for them. One visit by evil strangers, another by good. Which are you, evil or good?
Easy, friends. Yolt is right. One can't be too careful these days. Evil is everywhere. Decide for yourself. We come to return this to you.
The chain sword. Why are you returning it to me?
Because the one who had it was evil.
Yes, he stole it from me. Then you must be good. What can I do for you?
Well, in order to protect the good, we could use some of your weapons.
Come, we will talk of the weapons I shall make for you.
All muscle, no brain.
Takes one to know one.
This does not look like a happy planet to me.
We're not here for a vacation, Flipshot.
Yeah, well, let's hope we got here before the mutants.
I don't think we did. KO, anything on radar?
There seems to be hundreds, thousands of small objects. Closing on us fast!
Could be some kind of missiles. Do a 180 flip shot and put some distance between us and those things.
They're gaining on us!
We need more speed, Flipshot!
We're at max right now! Hydra, if they all hit us,
We'll be destroyed!